As we know, yoga is key to have a healthy lifestyle. And if you are healthy, then you keep mind happy. And if your mind is happy, you can lead your life happily. Yoga is meant for body, mind, and soul, and it purifies all three things. And it must be brought into the practice of each and everyone's life. It should not be that it should be on 12 January or International Yoga Day. It must be the part of our daily life. What we are supposed to do, we have to get up 30-40 minutes early and perform all the things whatever actually is being taught today by Rahul sir. And this is what exactly that we need, because healthy and peaceful mind is ready for learning the best of the day. So thank you very much Rahul sir and entire sport team, those who have arranged everything very nicely and all the asanas. And I was also getting very happy to and thrilled actually to do all these things. So thank you very much and have a very happy International Yoga Day.